Discreetly positioned off Mill Lane in Tamworth and Arden is this charming 19th century mill house, which has equestrian facilities, 8 acres of land, and an additional 7 acres available through separate negotiation. The property has been extended over the years and has 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, which includes a self-contained annex. The grounds and outbuildings are made up of 11 stables, a foaling box, a menage, 2 tack rooms, a washroom, a double garage, 3 carports, large driveway and a 3-bay tractor barn. There is a larger second menage within the additional 7 acres of land. I'm Simon Cowie from By Design, and this is the Mill House.